In this video, we will show how you can view some of your child's school records online like student ledger and statement of account. All you need is a browser, like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari for Apple users. And of course, an internet connection. On your browser's address bar, type dpa.psportalnow.net. PsPortal page will be displayed. If you already have an account, you can right away click Sign In. However, if you are new to the site, you need to sign up first. Click on Sign Up. You will be instructed to ask the school for an access key. If you already have the access key, type it in the box provided. Proceed with creating your account by filling out the necessary information. And then click Sign Up. You will now see your dashboard that displays your child's registration. On the left panel, if you click the Student Account, you will be able to view your child's account ledger. And statement of account. You can now view the status of your child's account and payment records. Also, we are going to show you how you can upload your proof of payment in our PsPortal. Go to Enrollment window. Click Make Payment. The page will display the bank details of DPA wherein you will make a transfer or deposit your payment. After doing so, you will then have a transaction receipt that you can now upload in our PsPortal. Click Send Proof of Payment. Fill out the form with the necessary information. To upload your proof of payment, which you must have saved digitally, click Select your proof of payment link. Find the image file of your proof of payment. And then click Send. You will be prompted that your proof of payment was sent. Click OK. To view all your proof of payment uploads, go to Student Account. Under Other Info, click List of Proof of Payments. You will see the list of view uploads. Alright, that is all for this video. Thank you.